Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie and I'm going to be taking you through a 10-minute yoga flow to build up our strength and our flexibility within the hips. For this practice, we're going to start in a standing position. So I'm going to invite you to bring your feet about hip-width apart or slightly wider and just gently beginning to soften the knees. Hands can be by our side, fingers coming towards the earth, and maybe slightly tucking the chin down towards the chest. Taking a few rounds of breath, just allowing the body to arrive. We're going to begin to come into a gentle forward fold. So you're going to begin to soften the knees, letting the hands continue to come down towards the earth, maybe dangling or maybe in contact with the feet. Gently coming into this forward fold, dropping the crown of the head. Bending the knees a little bit deeper if you'd like. You're going to take a little rainbow shape with the hands, so beginning to trace in the air or along the earth. Swaying the torso side to side. Slowly beginning to come to stillness. Inhaling, taking a halfway lift, palms to thighs or shins. Exhaling, softening and folding down. Take that one more time, inhaling your halfway lift. Exhaling and fold. We're going to begin to plant the hands. We're stepping back with our right foot. Runner's lunge. Maybe adjusting that left foot if you'd like. Staying wider. And then I'm going to begin to release that right knee down to the earth. We're going to begin to take a gentle twist, planting that right hand down in contact with the earth. Left hand coming to the thigh. Maybe the sky, gaze can follow if comfortable for the neck. Or slowly beginning to take that hand towards the back of the room. Gaze can follow. Exhaling, we'll begin to release that left hand to frame the front foot. We're going to begin to tuck and lift that right knee, coming back to our runner's lunge. Baby or big steps, taking that right foot to meet the left. Forward fold at the top of your space. Forward fold. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhaling, folding down. Planting the hand, stepping back with our left foot, runner's lunge. Again, releasing that knee, making any adjustments with that front foot. We're going to begin to take our twist, so planting that left hand down, right hand to the thigh, opening up the chest. Staying here or taking the arm up or towards the back of your space. Inhaling, arm coming back down, framing that front foot. Tucking and lifting. Small or big steps with that left foot to meet the right. Forward fold. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. We're going to begin to come into a chair-like pose. So beginning to heavily bend the knees, torso coming towards the thighs. Fingertips can stay in contact with the earth, or you can begin to take the hands to the heart space. Wherever we are, we're going to begin to release the hands, coming back to your forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold, planting the hand, stepping back with that right leg, runner's lunge. We're going to take a high twist. So you're going to plant that right hand, left hand coming to the thigh, or your choice of placement. And then maybe the back of the room. Beginning to release that left hand, framing that left foot. We're going to begin to take this right foot to meet the left, forward fold at the top of our space. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Planting the hands, stepping back with that left foot. We're coming onto the second side. Taking our twist, planting that left hand, your choice for the right, thigh, sky, or behind. Exhaling, releasing that right hand to frame the front foot. We're going to step back to our downward dog, taking that right leg back. You might stay in stillness or pedal, bending one knee and then the other. We're going to begin to take our gaze forward, tiptoeing, stepping or hopping, feet to the hands, forward fold, halfway lift, and then forward fold. We're coming back into our chair. Feet can stay where they are, or you might come a little bit closer with the big toes, heavily bending the knees, fingertips in contact with the earth, or hands to the heart. Exhaling, releasing into your forward fold. Halfway lift. And forward fold, planting the hands, stepping back with that right foot. We're going to begin to release the right knee to begin with. We're going to come into a lizard. So we're going to begin to toe heel that left foot out towards the left side, left hand coming down. You can stay right here, begin to tuck and lift that right knee. Your choice. We're just going to begin to rock right to left, gently with the hands. And then finding stillness. Beginning to release that right knee if we've lifted it. Beginning to toe heel that left foot back to center. We're going to come back to a forward fold at the top of your space. Tucking and lifting that right knee. Baby or big steps, right foot meeting the left. Forward fold. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhaling, forward fold. Planting the hand, stepping back with our left foot. Runner's lunge, beginning to release that left knee, coming into our lizard, toe heeling that right foot towards the long edge of your mat if you have one. Again, you can stay right here, maybe tucking and lifting that left knee. And breathing. And again, we can stay here, begin to rock side to side. Coming back to stillness. Releasing the left knee to the earth if we've lifted it. Toe heeling that right foot back to center. We're going to tuck and lift that left knee. And then we're going to begin to come to a forward fold at the top of your space. Inhaling, halfway lift. Forward fold. We're going to again come into a chair-like pose, so heavily bending the knees, making your choice of fingertips flat back or hands to the heart. Regardless of where we are, beginning to fold down, straightening the legs. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhaling, folding down. We're going to come up to standing, so rounding the spine if that's comfortable for your body. Stacking vertebrae by vertebrae. And letting the head be last. We're going to take the arms up overhead and then slowly taking the hands together at the heart space. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your practice and your well-being. And thank you for sharing this short flow to help build our strength and flexibility within the hips. If you liked this video, hit like. If you'd like to explore further hip practices, check out the playlist in the description, and I'll see you again soon.